Hi there. So I'm solving a LeetCode problem every day until I become a software engineer. We're doing replace elements with greatest element on right side. Basically what this means is you're given an array and the number to the leftmost will be replaced with the largest number to the right of it. So in this case, this would be replaced with 18 as the first number. Now the second index will be replaced by the second largest number to the right of it, which case 6. So the next number is replaced as 6. Then continuing this logic, we have 5 replaced by 6, and we have 4 replaced by 6, and then finally we have 6 replaced by 1. And then the very last number at the end of an array will automatically be replaced by -1. So in order to solve this, I iterated through my array backwards. So I created a for loop that goes starting from the very last number on the right and working its way to the left. Two variables to point out is my current max, which indicates the current greatest element that I'm tracking, and current value, which is the array that I'm tracking right before I replace it with the current max. That way, in case if that becomes larger than the current max, I'll replace the current max with the current value. I then replace the element that I'm looking at with the current maximum number, and then I have a statement to make sure that I update the greatest element. And after the procedure, I then replace the rightmost number with -1, finally returning the array. And here are my results. And this took me roughly 20 to 15 minutes to solve.